Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Zhang. Today I would show you a funny toy. This is a miniature PCP based on Benjamin model type, and I made it more portably like a PCP air pistol. Okay, let's check it out and play. What is this I made? Compared with the color, it is miniature PCP. Now fill up green gas in the tank. Yes, green gas, like airsoft do. This is a magazine I designed. There are 20 rounds BB magazine better than war magazine. Load up like this. 20 round BB in the magazine, 3mm diameter BB will be shooting. I would use this bag for catching BB. Keep BB in this bag and not running everywhere. Okay, let's shoot BB out. Okay, you can see this is an airsoft toy and not powerful. These are 3mm BB I shoot out. Many BB in this bag, maybe more than 20 rounds. Now I disassemble. First take magazine out. Show you the air tank and how them work. Remove the front grip here. There is a screw for fixing the air valve. The air system here. Let me press the rudder valve and see what happens. What can you see? Air coming out, can you see? Let's try again. This time I fill up the air tank first. Let me press the rudder valve. Pay attention. More and more green gas come out. Of course BB was shooting by green gas come out. Remove the handle. Steel handle. Okay, assemble. Fast forward. Okay, assemble done. Final, I let the Lego boy stand here inside for one shot. Just try shooting without BB and show you the air out. Fill up green gas again. Nice. Just hit command and blow him down. Let's see that air again. Okay, this is all about this miniature PCP. See you next time. I am Mr. Zhang. Likes, subscribe, share. Thanks for watching.